Yung ay sa negosyo mo, paano mo naipapakita yung pananampalataya sa Diyos?
Sa lounge, well, before we start talaga, nag-open kami, we started in prayer. Lagi kami may devotion. So, nagbabasa kami ng Bible, we have sharing, ganyan, ng mga stuff. Tapos nagpe-pray. Every morning yan, every day.
Yun yung huddle.
Yes, yun talaga. Tapos paikot-ikot yan. Hindi lang isa nagpe-pray, umiikot siya. Tapos, every Tuesday, meron kaming talagang Bible study namin. And we are open. Ino-open ko na ngayon ng Miss Seed Beauty Lounge para sa mga clients or even tao na gusto lang makarinig ng word ng Lord at may pag-pray sila. Ayun. Kasi ang Miss Seed Beauty Lounge, it's not a typical salon spa na pupuntahan mo. Ang mission and vision talaga ng Miss Seed Beauty Lounge is to help women, people, clients, everyone to know the Lord, to grow in God's love.
Hindi lang siya pang babae.
Hindi lang siya pang babae, pang family siya. So, gusto ko hindi lang gusto ko, pero ang mission and vision talaga namin is yung family magkaroon ng bonding time. Tapos, they will do fellowship. Kuwari, may mga kaibigan ka, kayo mga girl, talk, ganyan, bonding time. Pupunta kayo sa lounge, you will do fellowship, and at the same time, you will do comfort time. So, ganun
Sarap
siya.
naman.
So, pwede mong dalhin yung mga friends mo or mga staff mo, punta kayo sa lounge, tapos yun yung ma-enjoy nyo.
Parang siya, meron siyang, parang etong time na to, eto yung gagawin. Parang may schedule. Kunyari, 3 o'clock, merong fellowship, gano'n.
Kailangan talaga mag-book para yung slot na yon is for your team lang, na may fellowship kayo. You can bring food. Actually, you can really use that space to fellowship. And at the same time, ako and my staff, we ask for prayer requests. So, meron kaming prayer wall doon sa lounge na, kasi may mga clients na naghihiya Pagpasok mo pa lang, may worship song na. So, parang all day long, talaga, worship song yung maririnig mo. Kasi ang talagang mission namin is, hindi mo lang ma-feel that you are beautiful from the outside. We want every people to come in our salon, that they will really realize that they are God's masterpiece. That we are beautiful, fearfully and wonderfully made by the Lord. Maganda ka na. Pero, we are helping these people to learn to take good care of themselves, diba? Kasi binigay ng Lord yung body mo. These are temple of God. You have to take good care of it, diba? So yun, nare-relax sila and they will really feel blessed and beautiful.
So ibig sabihin, kunyari, family day, Sunday, so pwedeng pumunta
Yes!
Oo, together with the kids.
Exactly. Nag-e-enjoy talaga, pabalik-balik. Ang dami naming mga clients na coming from other places na malalayo pa, dinadayo talaga kasi they really feel relaxed, enjoy. Tapos VIP treatment talaga na alam nyong kayo lang yun nandun sa lounge.
So kailangan magpabook.
Yes.
Kasi hindi siya pwedeng masyadong crowded kasi mawawala yung parang peaceful na place. Ibig sabihin, yun nga, sa daily operations nyo, talagang umiikot kay God.
Yes.
Oo. Now I know kung bakit talagang patuloy na lumalago talaga ang Miss Seed, and ako curious ako paano.
Watch out, Miss Seed Beauty Lounge coming up soon. Yes. Coming out soon, Pasig branch.
Yun na nga yung i-imagine ko. Parang pag dumating yung time na kumalat yung branch mo, di ba? Parang ang ganda
Part ng goal ko yan. Goal natin yan.
Parang, ang ganda lang na hindi ka lang parang,
hindi ka lang basta business.
Hindi ka nag-business, parang nagtatayo ka pa rin ng temple of God. Yun yung parang sa isipan ko.
Yan kasi ang mission natin, di ba? Sabi ng Lord, go and make disciples of all nations. Di ba? Ikalat mo ko, ipakilala mo ko sa iba. Yun.
Ayan, so doon sa negosyo mo, doon mo na ipapakalat